Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have a quick and easy tutorial for all the Galaxy Z Flip 5 users out there. In this video, we're going to show you how to enable or disable the charging information on your device. This feature can be quite handy, especially if you want to keep track of your battery level and estimated charging time. Let's get started. To begin, navigate to the Home or Apps screen and then tap on the gear icon to launch the Settings app. In the Settings menu, scroll to Find and then tap on Display. Once you're in the display settings, scroll down and locate the Show Charging Information from the given options and then tap on the switch next to it to enable the feature. When enabled, it shows the battery level and estimated time until full when the Always On Display feature is off or not shown. Should you wish to disable this feature, simply repeat the same steps to head back to the Display Settings menu and then toggle the Show Charging Information switch to the off position. And there you have it, a simple guide on how to show or hide charging information on your Galaxy Z Flip 5. Remember, staying informed about your device's battery status can help you manage your usage more effectively. So, make sure to use this feature to your advantage. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video.